The Asawin H5C rear-view mirror dashcam is a versatile and indispensable accessory for modern drivers, offering unparalleled convenience, security, and peace of mind on the road. With its advanced technology, dual lens configuration, G-sensor, and 24-hour parking mode, this dashcam provides comprehensive coverage and protection for your vehicle, ensuring that you're always prepared for whatever the road may bring. Upgrade your driving experience with the Asawin H5C rear view mirror dashcam and enjoy enhanced safety and security every time you hit the road. The Asawin H5C rear view mirror dashcam is equipped with dual lenses, capturing both the front and rear views of your vehicle with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're documenting your daily commute or recording memorable road trips, the dual lens configuration ensures comprehensive coverage of your surroundings, providing valuable evidence in the event of accidents or disputes. One of the standout features of the Asawin H5C rear view mirror dashcam is its advanced G-sensor technology, which detects sudden movements or impacts and automatically locks and saves the relevant footage. This invaluable feature ensures that critical moments are preserved, allowing you to review and analyze events with confidence, whether you're dealing with insurance claims or legal proceedings. Additionally, the Asawin H5C rear view mirror dashcam boasts a 24-hour parking mode, providing continuous surveillance and protection for your vehicle even when it's parked and unattended. With its motion detection capabilities and auto start function, the dashcam automatically activates and begins recording in the event of suspicious activity or unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. In terms of installation and usability, the Asawin H5C rear view mirror dashcam excels with its user-friendly design and intuitive interface. The mirror seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's existing Rearview mirror, minimizing clutter and distractions while maximizing functionality. Furthermore, the dashcam's simple setup process and easy-to-navigate menus make it accessible to drivers of all skill levels, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish.